Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and having a wonderful day. I'm really happy that you are here. Before we begin today's video, let me ask you an interesting thing. You might notice that I'm speaking a little more slowly than usual. You might even be thinking, why is he talking so slowly? Well, there is a simple reason behind it. This entire 10 episode English speaking challenge will be recorded in slow English so that every beginner can understand each sentence comfortably. I don't want anyone to feel left behind. My goal is that when you finish each episode, you say, yes, I understood today's lesson. I think that's much more important than speaking fast. Now, let me tell you about the plan. From today, we are starting a 10 episode English speaking challenge. For the next 10 episode, we will meet here, learn English together, and improve step by step. According to me, learning becomes much easier when you follow a clear plan instead of watching random videos every day. That's exactly why I wanted to create this series. Every episode is connected, so I request you to watch them in order. I believe you will enjoy this journey much more that way. But before we move ahead, I just want to spend a moment talking with you because many people want to learn English but they don't know where to start. Some people open YouTube, watch one video today, another video next week, and then leave English for a month. Later, they feel that they are making no progress. I was in the same situation once. I also felt confused because I don't have proper direction. That's why I understand how many beginners feel. If you are a beginner, I want to say something to you. Please don't feel nervous. You are not alone. I am with you, and thousands of other learners are on the same journey. We all start from the beginning. Nobody starts by speaking perfect English because every confident speaker was once someone who knew only a few words. The difference is that they keep learning one step at a time. And there is something interesting that many researchers have found. They say that people learn better than they study in small, regular steps instead of trying to learn everything in one day. Honestly, I believe that's true. Learning little every day is much easier than study for hours once in a while. That's the idea behind this challenge. We would not rush, we will move forward together, one lesson at a time. Now, you might be wondering what we will do in these 10 episodes. Let me give you a small idea. This challenge is going to be practical. Instead of only talking about English, we will learn how to describe the world around us in simple words and simple sentences. Episode by episode, you will notice that making English sentences becomes easier because you will be using the language instead of only reading about it. The best part is that you don't need expensive courses or complicated books to join this challenge. All you need is a few minutes every episode and every day, a positive attitude, and the willingness to practice. That's enough. If you stay with this series from the first episode to the last, I truly believe you will see a difference in your confidence. At the end, I have just one small request. Please don't skip the episodes. Each lesson is connected to the next one, just like climbing stairs. If you miss a step, the next one becomes a little harder. So let's move forward together, one episode at a time. And before I finish, remember this, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are not sign that you are bad at English. They are a sign that you are using English. Every sentence you speak as practice, every episode you complete as progress. So don't wait until you feel perfect. Start with what you know today, and tomorrow you will know a little more. So, my question is, are you ready? If your answer is yes, then welcome to our 10 episode English speaking challenge. I'm genuinely excited to spend these 10 episodes with you, and I hope you will stay with me until the very last episode. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next episode to start the lessons ahead. Thank you so much.